The 5 ways to build bulletproof knees naturally in 3 minutes or less. Did you know that 1 in 4 people will suffer serious knee issues in their lifetime? This isn't just about getting older. It's often because we haven't trained our knees to handle the demands of everyday life. In our modern world, we move less and eat more than ever before. While technology has brought incredible efficiency, it has also led to a more sedentary lifestyle, leaving our bodies, especially our knees, vulnerable. But what if you could have pain-free, powerful knees for decades to come? It's not as hard as you think. This guide will show you how to naturally fortify your knees, often in just 3 minutes or less a day. 1. Knee pain isn't random. It's a warning sign. Your knees are remarkably resilient. With every step, they can handle 3 to 6 times your body weight. They're not fragile. They're designed to adapt. However, the lack of movement and specific training in modern life can weaken them over time. Think of knee pain not as an inevitability of aging, but as a crucial warning signal. Are you experiencing clicking or cracking with movement? Soreness after sitting for extended periods? A tight sensation behind the kneecap? Trouble with stairs or squats that used to be easy? These are red flags. They indicate that your knees need attention, not that they're simply getting old. Addressing these signs early can prevent more serious issues down the line. 2. Understanding what's really weakening your knees. So, we've talked about how knee pain is a warning sign, but what's actually causing that warning? It's almost never just one thing. Most knee problems are like a puzzle, made up of a few different pieces that combine to create discomfort and weakness. These usually involve a mix of muscles not working together properly, what we call muscle imbalances, and unhelpful ways you move your body. Here are the common culprits: weak leg and butt muscles. Think of your quadriceps, the muscles on the front of your thigh, your glutes, your butt muscles, and your hamstrings, the back of your thigh. These aren't just for looking good. They're like your knees' personal bodyguards. They're absolutely essential for keeping your knee joint stable and happy. When these muscles are weak, your knee has to pick up the slack, and that means other parts of the joint end up taking on way too much stress and pressure. Tight hips or ankles. Everything in your body is connected, right? Your knees sit right between your hips and your ankles. If your hips are stiff or your ankles don't have good movement, maybe they feel tight or inflexible. Your knees are forced to twist, compensate, or work in awkward ways they weren't designed for. This extra compensatory movement puts huge, undue stress on the knee joint itself, which can lead to pain and injury. Poor squat or lunge form. You might be thinking, but I don't lift weights. True, but you squat and lunge every single day. Think about picking something up off the floor, sitting down, or getting out of a chair. These are all squats. If your body mechanics are off when you do these fundamental movements, maybe your knees are caving in, or your back is rounding. It creates harmful shearing forces on your knees. Over time, this incorrect movement acts like a slow grind, wearing down your knee joint. Too much sitting. This is a big one in our modern lives, and everywhere else. We sit at work. We sit in traffic. We sit at home, watching TV. All that prolonged sitting can actually make your hip flexors, the muscles at the front of your hip, shorten tight, while simultaneously weakening your glutes. This double whammy directly messes with your knee's alignment and its ability to function properly, leading to pain and instability. Research even shows that extended sitting can reduce the production of joint fluid, which is like the natural lubricant for your knees. Too much running, not enough strength training. Running is fantastic for your heart and mind, no doubt. But if running is your only form of exercise and you neglect strength training, you're setting yourself up for trouble. This can lead to those muscle imbalances we talked about and cause repetitive stress injuries in your knees. Imagine a car running constantly without proper maintenance. Eventually, parts start to wear down because they're not adequately supported. Your knees need that muscle armor to handle the repetitive impact of running. So, what's the big picture here? When these factors come together, the result is the same. Your knee joint experiences wear and tear without the necessary muscular protection to keep it safe and healthy. It's like going into battle without your shield and armor. Eventually, you're going to get hurt. But the good news is, once you understand why your knees might be struggling, you can start to address these issues directly and build that protective armor. The blueprint for building bulletproof knees. The solution to knee issues isn't passive rest. It's about training smarter and more consistently. Here's how to build robust, resilient knees. A. Strengthen the full kinetic chain. Focus on exercises that build strength throughout your legs and hips, not just isolated movements. Backward sled drags. Excellent for strengthening the quadriceps, especially the VMO, vastus medialis obliquus, which is crucial for kneecap tracking. Bulgarian split squats, a powerful unilateral exercise that builds strength, balance, and mobility in the quads, glutes, and hamstrings. Glute bridges and hamstring curls directly target the posterior chain, essential for hip extension and knee stability. Step downs and single leg work improve balance and strengthen the stabilizing muscles around the knee. B. Mobilize what's tight. Releasing tension and improving flexibility in surrounding joints is just as important as strengthening. Deep squat holds improves ankle and hip mobility, allowing for better squat mechanics and reducing knee strain. Hip flexor and ankle dorsiflexion drills addresses common areas of tightness that can restrict knee movement. Calf and quad release work. Using a foam roller or ball can help release muscle knots and improve tissue quality. C. Improve your movement mechanics. Consciously focus on how you move during exercises and daily activities. Master squats, lunges, and hinges. Learn and practice proper form for these foundational movements. Seek guidance if unsure. Prioritize full range of motion. Moving your joints through their complete natural range helps maintain flexibility and joint health. Build up slowly. Don't max out. Progressive overload is key, but listen to your body. Gradual increases in intensity and volume prevent injury. The critical role of nutrition and recovery, fueling your knees. Think of your knees like a high-performance vehicle. They can only run at their best and stay in top shape if you give them the right fuel and enough time for maintenance. Just like any other part of your body, your knees absolutely need proper nutrition and sufficient rest to rebuild, repair, and get stronger. Here's how to feed your knees right. Collagen plus bone broth. These are like the magic ingredients for your joints' cushioning. Collagen is the main protein found in your cartilage, which is that protective, slippery tissue that covers the ends of your bones in a joint. Bone broth is packed with natural collagen, making it a fantastic way to give your body the building blocks it needs for healthy cartilage. Quality protein. Don't skip your protein. Whether it's from chicken, fish, eggs, lentils, or beans, protein is absolutely essential for repairing and growing your muscles. And remember, strong muscles are your knees' best defense, directly supporting joint stability and taking stress off the joint itself. Magnesium. This often overlooked mineral plays a big role in muscle function. Getting enough magnesium can help reduce muscle cramps, ease tension around your knee, and ensure your muscles are working smoothly. Omega-3s. You've probably heard about these, and for good reason. found in fatty fish like hilsha or even flax seeds. Omega-3s are powerful anti-inflammatory agents. They can significantly help to reduce joint pain and swelling, which is a common issue when your knees are struggling. But what you put into your body is only half the story. How you allow your body to recover is just as, if not more, important. 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep. This isn't just about feeling rested. When you sleep deeply, your body goes into repair mode. This is when it's actively rebuilding tissues, repairing muscle fibers, and reducing inflammation. Skimp on sleep, and you're essentially skipping your body's essential repair shop for your knees. Active recovery. Sometimes when your knees hurt, you just want to rest. And while complete rest is sometimes necessary, active recovery is often more beneficial. Gentle activities like a leisurely walk around the neighborhood, light stretching, or even spending some time in a sauna, if available and suitable for you, can do wonders. These activities promote healthy blood flow to the joint and surrounding tissues, which aids recovery and brings in fresh nutrients without putting stress on your knees. Taking this holistic approach, combining smart nutrition with dedicated recovery, is how you move beyond just temporary pain relief. It's how you build true, long-term resilience in your knees, allowing them to stay strong and healthy for years to come. The overlooked secret? Training your knees forward. Most traditional leg exercises focus on movements where the knee primarily bends backward, like squats and deadlifts. However, in real life, your knees frequently move forward over your toes. Think walking downstairs, lunging, or even pushing off the ground. By incorporating exercises that train this knee over toe motion, you strengthen crucial, often underused muscles that directly protect the joint during these real-world movements. Knee over toe split squats specifically emphasizes the forward knee tracking. ATG, Athletic Truth Group. Lunges. Pushes the boundaries of knee over toe movement safely. Tibialis raises. Strengthens the tibialis anterior muscle on the front of your shin, which plays a vital role in decelerating the foot and protecting the knee during impact. My personal experience, a testament to natural healing. For me, the journey to pain-free knees involved specific dietary changes that provided remarkable results. Incorporating 1/2 kilogram of palm fruit, kolang kaling daily, and sweet potatoes every day made a significant difference. Within a short time, I achieved 90% pain relief. While some minor discomfort remains, it no longer interferes with my life. And here's an intriguing insight. If your knee aches, it is sometimes a symptom of a liver issue. I've found that supporting liver health with supplements like Tudka, lemon, and beef bile can also contribute to overall well-being and pain reduction. These aren't just isolated tips. They work because they're sustainable. You don't need complicated plans or extreme measures. Simple, consistent actions create lasting results. Bottom line, invest in your knees. Invest in your life. Strong knees equate to a strong, independent life. They are the foundation that supports your body, empowers your workouts, and allows you the freedom to move without limitation. Don't wait until pain forces you to act. Train them smart. Mobilize daily. Fuel your recovery. Remember this crucial truth. Knees don't wear out. They adapt. You just have to teach them how to adapt to strength and resilience. Strong knees aren't merely gifts. They're vital investments. The right movements and nutritional choices today will save you strife tomorrow. Master this now, and your future self will undoubtedly thank you.